Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. Well guys, this time I'm gonna share you how to create the infographic instantly from the YouTube guys, and the platform that we will gonna use is the NotebookLM or the Google Notebook LM. How to create that infographic. It is very simple, so without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you need to do is you can start to decide about the video that you would like to create the infographic here, and I prefer to use this information that sounds like more educative, and I take that from this TED Education. You can start to watch this video from this one, and this is about the why do whales sing, and I simply copy this link, and after that I will move to this notebooklm.google.com, so you can simply do the login into your account and you will find this section and this kind of the home page, and I will go to the create new, and after that I will start to put the link into this section. Simply copy it. As you can see, in case if you'd like to create this infographic, you can also create it from the files or the website like this, YouTube, and also the Google Drive, and also the copied text. And kindly wait for the process over here, and let this Google Notebook LM to extract every information from this YouTube video. And after that, the section that you can use is this one, infographic. Select this. Basically, with this Google Notebook LM, you will not only have the chance to create the information or extract the information into the infographic, but also you can create it into the video like this here, the audio. You can also create the mind map, report, flashcard, quiz, and also the slide deck, and also the data table. And for this time, I will show you the infographic of this video, and kindly wait for the generation process. Maybe it will take 1 minute and also until 5 minutes, depends on the complexity of the video itself guys. And also make sure that your connection is good so that the generation process can run smoothly. And now the generation process is done, so let's see the infographic, and boom, this is the result. Isn't that cool, right? In case if you would like to zoom in or zoom out, you can simply click this button. So basically this infographic is kind of the summarize the every single information that has been shared into this video. And in case if you would like to make it more shorter, or if you would like to make it into your presentation, so you can start to use this infographic, or let's say if you would like to create it for your content, so you can also use this one. And in case if you like it, then you can start to give the good content over here, give the reaction, and also download it. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.